Hello everybody, my name's John and welcome to our channel. Today we have a really exciting video. It is a prize giveaway. So what is it we're giving away?
Oh no. The exciting video today is actually picking a winner, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, the time has now come. Be quiet, John, will you? As you can see, I have the web page up right now, and I just have to go down to sort by newest first. And you can see that there's 258 comments. Now, the way that I'm going to be picking the winner is not by just me going, ooh, that one. It is to make it completely fair. I'm using this fantastic website called commentpicker.com. And that's why I've got it up here as well as the time there for you. So you can see that at 10 o'clock, we're going to press the button. I also have my mobile phone here recording everything, so you can see there's no editing, no trickery, no fiddling with the results. I want this to be 100% fair. Before we get on, I want to say we are going to have competitions coming in the future, so if you don't win this one, don't be so disheartened. You could win one maybe in the next couple of weeks. Have to see if my wife will let me. Right, anyway, so to make this work, I have to take the link, and you can see I've already put it there, but I will do it again. And then what I do is go to filter comments based on a specific text. And as you all know, it was yes, please. So I get YouTube comments. So 143 comments are valid. That's 143 valid entries into this competition. Now, as you saw, there was, 258, and that means that all the other comments were my comments. So here we go, 10 o'clock. Let me press the button and see who has won.
Ta-da!
There we go, ladies and gentlemen. You saw it here. The winner is H. Rich. Congratulations to you. I will find a way of getting in contact with you, or you get in contact with me, and then we'll organise which car you wish to have. The 144001, the 124018, or the 124019. You pick one of them, and we will have it shipped directly to your house. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. All done. How fantastic is that? It's so nice being able to give something back to the community and the hobby. Please stay tuned, as I said, because we will have future competitions coming up. And, well, have a great day. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye. Hi, welcome back. That was short and sweet, wasn't it? As you can see, about 30 seconds have passed. I realised that I can right-click on the winner's name and open up his channel. There you go. H. Rich, you are the winner. Contact me, because I don't know how to contact you. Okay, have a great day, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.